Welcome to video 2 on how to remove the central console over the gear selector in the Hyundai Tucson. Here we go. To start with, what you need to do is carefully remove the cover. A bit of screwdriver into the side can help. You're not going to pull this over the gear selector, but just move it out of the way. Next, open the central console, and then here what you need to do is get a tool and prise this up, and you'll see the lugs which connect into these little receptacles, and you can pull those up without damaging them, and then bring the whole thing up from the central lugs and carefully thread the gear selector through to actually raise this console completely out. Forgive my filming here. So I'm just threading that through, as you see, and easing the gear selector through. Bit fiddly, but eventually, with a bit of manipulation, without any force, you should be able to remove the panel. If you turn it over, you'll see the connectors that connect it all together, these two leads. Then remove these connectors using a screwdriver. I've done it before, and I thought I'd video it this time. It's quite simple to do, and it shouldn't need to break the connector lugs. Okay, once I've removed this, I will start video 3 by taking the unit apart.